Hey Gemini, I want to practice spoken English with you. Would you please help me with that?
Sure thing. I'm always happy to help with spoken English. What would you like to talk about?
Struggling with spoken English? What if I told you that mastering it is just a few steps away? Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, today I'm going to show you how Google Gemini can revolutionize the way you practice speaking English. Stick around because you will learn how to make this AI your personal language coach. You have heard of apps like Duolingo, right? But imagine combining the power of AI that not only helps you learn, but actually speaks back to you, correct? In real time and improve your fluency without the awkwardness of real conversation. Ready to unlock the game changer? Let's dive in. Google Gemini is Google's latest AI that's been making waves for its advanced conversational capabilities. It can help you practice your spoken English in a way that's more interactive than traditional methods. So how do we use it for language practice? Simple. Open up Google Gemini and you can start by asking questions, engaging in dialogues, or even prompting it to correct your grammar or pronunciation. It's like having an English-speaking friend available 24/7. Now, here's how you can start. Step 1. Ask Google Gemini to play a role. For example, ask it to pretend to be an English teacher or a tourist. Hey Gemini, I want to practice spoken English with you. Would you please help me with that?
Sure thing. I'm always happy to help with spoken English. What would you like to talk about?
I want to play a role-playing game with you. Suppose you are a tourist and I'm a local guide. How about that?
Okay, well, I'm a tourist. Let's see. I think I'm going to be one of those really enthusiastic tourists who's super excited to see everything. Maybe I'm from a big city, so I find the slower pace of your town really charming. How does that sound?
Sounds good. From here, you can practice basic greetings, ask about the day, or even simulate real-life situations like ordering food in a restaurant or booking hotel. Hey Gemini, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Ready when you are.
Yeah, I want to play a role-playing game with you for practice my spoken English. I would like to practice ordering food in a restaurant. How about that? Please make sure if I'm telling any wrong sentences or words, please do correct me.
It sounds like you want to practice ordering food at a restaurant. How about we start with that? I can pretend to be the waiter, and you can be the customer. We can start with something simple, like ordering an appetizer and a main course.
Sounds good.
Okay, welcome to the restaurant. Can I start you off with an appetizer, or would you like to go straight to your main course?
I would like to start with appetizer. As you speak, Google Gemini will respond naturally, and when you make a mistake, it corrects you in real time. If I'm telling any wrong sentences or words, please do correct me.
Sure, that's what I'm here for. I'll let you know if I hear anything that sounds off. Can you tell me a little more about the exercises you do at the gym?
In every day when I went to gym, I start my exercise with a little bit of cardio. I ran in the treadmill about 10 minutes. It's about 1.50 kilometers in 10 minutes. And then I do cycling.
Okay, how about this? I start my workout with a little cardio. I usually run on the treadmill for about 10 minutes. Then I hop on the exercise bike for another 10. Does that sound better?
Yes, that sounds better. Want to take it to the next level? Ask Google Gemini to analyze your sentences and suggest more native-like phrasing. For instance, instead of saying, I want to go there, it might suggest, I would like to go there. More fluent, right? With Google Gemini, the sky's the limit for improving your spoken English. No what classroom moments, no pressure, just you and progress at your own pace. Try it out and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more videos like this.